Hi, my name is Johnny. There will be an awakening. I will be the one who leads it. Please use my website as your guide. It contains all of the spirituality information needed to be informed. The rest of the process can be done within, through your own experiences in meditation. I have left my contact information at the bottom of the website if you would like to reach me. I would also like to mention that there will be more future changes with regards to what is being posted on my website, and it will be constantly evolving as time goes on. I will now continue reading my meditation blog post. This one was written on September 26th, 2024. I will tell you this, you may need to hear it. The breaths you are taking, each one has importance. Each one serves a purpose, one of higher meaning, one that needs to be settled back with your awareness paid. Thank you very much for watching this video. There will be many more to come. Much love.